Hey, internet people, it's me, Corey Saylor from Slapnuts. As you may have known, Nutslap is intent on evolving, and we have decided collectively as a group, a band, a brotherhood, that for our next creative decision, we don't need no freaking drummer. I mean, come on, who needs a bass drum? We have a bass guitar. Who needs a crash cymbal? Our career's already crashing and burning right now. Who needs some tom-toms? Or you have some guy with a baseball bat smacking on trash cans? Who is that guy? Anyway, I'm getting off track here. By the way, my new album, CFM2X, whatever it's called, is out now. And yeah, we're just really excited. We don't need a drummer. We finally realized that. And any band that has a drummer, you can go frick yourselves, man. You're all a bunch of posers. You make friggin' pop music like Machine Gun Kelly Clarkson. So it's my honor and privilege to show you, the fans, who's been making us rich since 1997, our official new drummer for Nip Slip. And here he is. Come on, say something. Don't be shy. Number 11. Come on.